quick and easy way to keep your oars straight. My oars just tend to turn, and when I go to take a stroke, my oar's not in the water correctly. So this will help me keep my thumbs on here at the same position the whole time so that I can keep my oars straight while in the water. Hey, I've never rode the drift boat, so this will be my first time. I think that's probably deep enough. Can I finish it off with this one? All right, we're smoothing them out now. Just about done. What did that take, 10 minutes? All right, check it out. Thumb goes right in there. And that should keep the oar straight.
After you get that, you're gonna want to put a little bit of sealer. You can probably use like some tongue oil or that, but for today we just got some Krylon wood, metal, or plastic, acrylic type of sealer. You just want to prevent moisture from getting in there and ruining your wood. We'll seal that up.
All right, let's go to the river.
So when your thumbs are resting in there,
Your blades are straight up and down. And so you don't miss a beat. Pretty nice. Yeah, no, the reason I like the little boat and rowing the little boat is like you can run over rocks and you can hit things and it's just like just rubs over them, is where the drift boat is just kind of scary when you hit rocks, I guess.
you can hit some, but you better be going straight and not sideways.
Straight, not sideways, yeah. Should I just turn it straight when it gets shallow right
Yeah,
down
start slowing yourself down a little bit, straight up. Get your butt that way, just a touch. There you go. Okay, butt that way now. See that deep trough right there?
What's that?
See that deep spot?
Yeah.
You're going to want to hit it that way a little. Little more, little more. Okay, straighten it out and just slide over them. Start pushing. Get it straight. Now you're understanding about the straightness factor.
For God's sake. Is this where we want to go?
Yeah.
How far up?
We're good.
Right here? You want the front end or the rear end?
You always go in with your rear.
Always?
I generally do.
Really? How come I hop out a lot and like pull you to land though?
I do that if I want to let you out.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Do I leave my oars float?
Yeah, but we're going to slide away if you don't get out sooner rather than later. You have to time it so that when you slide up on there, you've got your momentum forward and you get out. Go to the back, you're going to be sliding. Now you wonder what I deal with when I'm rowing your ass around. And 4 other people. And
come on! Get out!
And everyone else is fishing. All right, pick the anchor up and set it out and don't smash your toe.
This thing is heavy. You think that'll hold us?
Yeah.
I guess I can put a rock over it.
You're good.
All right. Man, I feel like that was a little bit stressful.
Well, yeah. Trying to film and.
All right, we're gonna go look for cottonwood buds on the trees over here on these islands. I want to make some infused oil with.
We need some big, mature
So
buds.
these are the buds that we're looking for.
And when you get about this far from the boat, you wonder if you left out enough anchor rope. Oh my god.
What? What? Look at the hound's tongue on him. Invasive species. Hound's tongue. It's not on me hardly at all.
These pants are freaking sticky.
Look at these. I don't have any on me. We just found a bunch of cottonwood buds. They're like little young shoots. So we're gonna start cutting and try and fill my jar, and we'll let you see what we find.
Look at how many hound's tongues are on app.
All right, we got about a quarter of a jar here. Now we know why this stuff is so expensive. See your hands. It is very hard, very hard to fill a jar with these cottonwood buds, but we're gonna get in the boat and we're gonna go to the next spot downriver and see what else we can find. Gravel right here.
Yep. Okay, start back rowing. Back row hard that way.
All right. What do we do about this big stick here?
Probably try to go under it or to the right of it.
Oh, we're good. Looking good. What do you think here? Left or right?
Right.
Right?
Yeah, where all the water's at.
All right.
How's the new thumb slots working?
Thumb slots are working good. Haven't moved my oars around once. Yeah. We're almost to the takeout. We floated Tower Creek to Red Rock today. What do you think, 5 miles?
Maybe not that far. I don't know.
Maybe around 5 miles.
4 miles, 3.
How do you think my boating skills did? Or how do you think my boating skills were for the first time rowing a drift boat?
Well, you actually stayed in the rower seat, so that was a win.
The boat's still floating, so I feel like that's a win.
No, it was good. I haven't floated it in a while. The river changes all the time. There's a lot of gravel bars that are different, side channels, cottonwood trees that fell in.
We float so much around salmon, like Shoop Bridge to Carmen. We do salmon to Carmen, Shoop to town. It's nice to get on some different water, see some different scenery, and see how the river's different. I don't think we haven't done this stretch since last July. Is that right? For 4th of July when we took the sweet boat down here?
Yeah, and the water was a lot higher, so
Water was real high.
you don't get to see all the gravel bars and side channels.
But right down there, around the bend down here is the takeout. So we've basically just got this little riffle right up ahead here, and we're done. It's been a good day. This house right here, can you see the house?
Yeah, see those huge windows
Huge windows.
on that deck? Well, the guy had left for the fall. And there was a band of sheep that were living there, and there was a ram that kept seeing his reflection in those big sliding windows. And he was attempting to fight himself as like he was looking in a mirror, and he was knocking out those big windows with his head.
And what happened to the sheep?
The guy came back and saw the sheep, and the Fish and Game he's like, you got to do something about it. And they gave him the number to the guy that had the one and only sheep tag for this area. And it was towards the end of the season, and he had not shot a sheep. So he went and shot that ram right out in the guy's yard. Not much of a hunt, but
Not much of a hunt, but someone got their sheep. Oh, here you can see that house a little better from right here now.
yeah, the sheep like living on that deck. It's probably a pretty nice spot. One time there was a kid that jumped off these rocks into the water, and there's this old cable that goes in right here. Used to be a cable car or a bridge or something, and he got caught under it, on it underwater, and ended up drowning. Yeah, that's the cable right there.